Hello everyone. For our next hairdo, take the top section of the hair, make it into two divisions and make them crisscross at the back. Keep adding sections into it until it makes this continuous V-like shape in it. It should look like a braid, however it is not a braid. Do this until you reach the base. This is what it should look like. Once you reach the base, you may normally start to braid the hair. Tie a decorative rubber band once you are done. For our next hairdo, take two sections of the hair from either side of the scalp, join it at the back and the middle. Roll the hair in on itself. Repeat the step once more and once more make the hair roll in on itself. With the bottom of the hair, make a normal braid out of it after dividing it into three sections. Roll this braid upwards in order to make a bun. Next, start off by taking a section off the top of the scalp and tie a rubber band to it. Divide the rest bottom of the hair into two parts and then wrap it around the first ponytail that you created. Roll the hair in on itself. Using your fingers, pull the second section of the hair through the first. Start off by tying a ponytail, add a rubber band to it and then make a bun out of it. Make a division in the center of the hair and then put the bun in this division. Tie a rubber band around it to make it look all the more defined. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into three sections and begin to braid the hair normally. Tie a rubber band to it once you reach the bottom. Lift this braid upwards in order to make a bun-like shape. Add a clip. For our next hairdo, take two sections from either side of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it in the middle at the back. Roll the hair in on itself. Repeat the step right underneath it. With the remaining portion of the hair, make a small braid out of it. You will be making a fishtail braid. That is, the hair will be divided into two portions. Take two narrow sections from either side and make them interchanged in the middle at the back. Tie a rubber band. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Add a rubber band in the middle and roll the hair in on itself as such. Lift it up and tie a rubber band. Fasten the loose ends in place. Add a clip. For our next hairdo, divide the hair into three sections and begin to braid the hair. Once you finish making the normal braid, tie a rubber band to it and then roll the hair upwards in order to make a bun-like shape. Fasten the loose ends in place using a clip. Thank you for watching.